up, you guys? I hope you guys enjoyed that little introduction. So this is just gonna be like a simple, quick, cute little vlog. I'm out of town right now. I'm actually in Birmingham, Alabama, you know, handling some business pretty much. So I'm just gonna kind of film like little snippets and bits of my trip, and you know, just show you guys and share what's going on. Yesterday, we actually arrived yesterday. Traffic was bad. So we made it to the hotel. I didn't film any part of yesterday, but we made it to the hotel. And then after I got back to the hotel, I just got into bed and collapsed. So, you know, nothing too special about it yesterday. So this morning, I'm just not getting ready, and we're about to head out of this hotel and head to our resort. So yeah, once I make it to the resort, I have a spa appointment at 10 o'clock for a massage, and then I think I'm gonna go out to the pool and hang out there for a little minute. And then later on, I have some other business things to do. So I'll be handling that, and we have like a little event later that evening. So I'll just be filming my day with you guys. I probably won't be talking too much in these vlogs. It's just gonna be primarily footage. But I'm gonna take you guys along and show you everything. All right, so I'm about to head out. I gotta go, I'm rushing. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time.
We're gonna be in this one, Miss Harris, and I'm gonna have you on that table.
This one? Okay.
Yeah. And you can sit anything on the counter that you want to. Okay. And I'm Deanna, by the way. And we're gonna be doing a massage.
Well, this is my first massage.
Ever?
Ever. I know, right?
I think I love it. You'll be like, what?
That's a good come through and chill. Can I tell us real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so manipulative.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna give you a quick little hotel room tour. All right, so this is the doorway entrance to my hotel room, as you can see. So you just walk in, and this is the view. So we have a little closet door here. And I did that really hard, I'm sorry. It just kind of slides. So just have a closet where you can hang stuff. It has a few hangers, you know, a few more hangers, and that thing. And be careful not to slam it again. And on this side, you just have an iron and an ironing board, and that's pretty much the whole closet. It's a pretty nice size closet, honestly, for a hotel. And then here's the bathrooms. They have the toilet, tissue, whatever. We have a cute little small walk-in shower, as you can see. And like, you just open the shower like this. Nice, cute little walk-in shower, nothing crazy. And that's the shower head. So yeah, that's that. And from there, we have the mirror, the giant mirror, really cute. Countertop, sink, all that. And over next to that, we have the tub. There's like a picture of a golf course or something right here against the wall. And it's just the average tub, nothing special. But you know, it's a pretty good size tub. It's pretty deep and pretty wide, so that's that. And so coming out the bathroom, just come this way. I have a mirror here. Look, it says Queen Bee, of course, boop boop. And you know, it's just a nice, cute little mirror. You know, nothing crazy. And here's like this little light fixture right here. I think it's really neat and it's kind of funky. This is what, like a little overview of the room. I kind of laid up against my bed already, y'all, so yeah. So I have 2 beds in here, but it's just me. We have 2 queen beds, 2 pillows, nightstand, has an alarm clock and a lamp. And then on this side, we have the thermostat, which I'm convinced doesn't work, honestly. It only goes down to 65. But I put it on high, but I feel like it's not really blowing on high, but I don't know. I'm gonna leave it on high because it's hot in this room, so hopefully it cools off soon. I'm gonna close the blinds so it'll cool off soon. And then we have the balcony, you guys. That says AC does not operate when balcony door is open. So I'll just step out here really quick so y'all can see. The view is not good. I'm not lying. So this is the balcony. Nothing crazy, nothing special. This is the view. It's a mess. But whatever. And then right over here is the golf course. Y'all probably can't see anybody out there, but that's the golf course. And then you can see other people with their balconies. And so yeah, that's that.